In the latest update, a new option has been added to digitize lead helix shear in the details page, which is called match variable float spacing. This is grayed out for a reason. Go into the common parameters and now the float spacing is equal. When you go to the variable spacing and go into the operation digitize lead helix shear, this becomes active. You can enable this and put a tolerance. This option is mainly used for resharpening variable index tools, especially when you are automatically loading from the loader. You don't need to worry about the initial y-axis orientation because you program the tool's design or the required variable index spacing, digitize all floats, and the option will try to match what has been digitized against what has been programmed, and it will figure out which is float number 1. So in case where you have a long float, short float, and if this is float 1, and based on the spacing, the software will automatically detect and find out which is float 1. So this is very useful when you are using Loader-Mate in batch grinding of regrinding of tools with variable index spacing.